Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're listening, that means we're talking about making mistakes. And honestly, anyone who's made a mistake in their life and has learned from it has now officially gained experience. So you can learn a lot from people's mistakes, your own mistakes, more than you can win and learn from a victory, because it's in those times that we become stronger mentally, physically. We take it to the next level. You've never heard a great success story without a horrible mishap somewhere in the journey. So, like we say in a lot of our videos, the work does more work on you than you do on it. So this is precisely what that means. You know, making mistakes make strong men that learn from it. People who succumb to the pressure are the ones that don't make it where they want to go. They don't make it to the $1 million they wanted to achieve, the family they wanted to have, the life they wanted to, build. And remember, nothing great came easy. And if you want to reach greatness, you have to believe, If you don't think it's possible, then it's not. Remember that. And for those of you looking for what you want to do in life, maybe you're a father, I have twin boys, maybe you're in the corporate world, I'm a former IT consultant, maybe you're interested in NFTs or investments. The fundamentals of wealth management and finance is the same, but what you want to do is unique to you. So if you want to invest like Warren Buffett, invest. If you want to create a drop shipping store like Jordan Welch, create a drop shipping store. If you want to create an agency like Iman Gaji, create an agency, but understand each one is unique. None of them are scams. Yes, 90% of people fail, so you're just going to hear a lot of hate if you ever try to do something. But remember what we say. If people are starting to say negative things about what you're doing, you're on the right path. Not always, but usually when people can't relate to you, that's because there's something deep inside of you that's unique to you. Maybe a big reason you're watching this video right now. So even if it's one person, 2 people, 1,000 people, I realized the power of the internet and how people would go to a conference, create an event for 25 people to hear them speak, 50 people to hear them speak. But then we get discouraged when we get 50 views, 100 views on our videos. Why? Why? That's what Alex Hormozi says too. I would kill to talk in front of 25 people. Now he's one of the most well-known businessmen, started from gym. Now he just talks, and it's just in the quality and the quantity and the belief that he has in himself. So guys, write in the comments below, what stage in life are you in? What are your goals? What's your favorite method to create wealth? It could be 9 to 5. It could be investing in crypto. It could be investing in ETF. It could be oil, gold, commodities. It could be an investment into a business. Remember, we always say you have to make money so that you can invest, because $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 are 10x multiples. But if you have 1 grand and you make 10% on it, that's $100. You have 10 grand, you make 10%, that's $1,000. You have 100 grand, you make 10%, that's 10,000 bucks. So the power of compound money is very important. So make sure you have a cash flow business. So whether you're going into drop shipping, an agency model where you provide a service, or any other business type, make sure that one, you don't just give up, because 90% of people fail, and 2, do one that is suitable for your life, So I hope you guys are all doing well. I wish you the best. We're going to be having a lot of content up here, talking from our mistakes in life. It took me 9 businesses until I had a really profitable one. And at the end of the day, you have to cut off the fat, focus on the things you're good at, and focus on providing value. Because if you provide value, people will stay, people will want to engage. And remember, just like I'm doing here, build your personal brand, because that pushes everything. Look at Mr. Beast, he has Feastables. Look at Graham Stephan, he has his coffee. Look at Look at Iman Gadji, he has his agency. And now Big Day, his energy drink. And so much more than that. Logan Paul, Prime, Jake Paul, Celsius. So guys, build your personal brand. Don't be scared of getting on the camera. We all feel the same about it. So wishing you the best. If you found value today, follow along. If not, I hope you keep watching. Take care.